Welcome. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to allow Facebook to ask for notifications on your PC using the latest update. This process is simple and ensures you stay informed about important updates while maintaining control over your notification preferences. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, look at the top of your browser window where the web address is displayed. Next to the web address, you'll see an icon that allows you to view site information. Click on this icon. It's typically represented by a padlock or similar symbol depending on your browser. This will open a small menu with various options related to the website. From this menu, locate and click on Site Settings. This action will take you to a dedicated page where you can manage permissions for Facebook on your browser. Now find the section labeled Notifications. Here, you'll see options for how Facebook can interact with your browser notifications. Next to this permission, select Ask from the drop-down menu. By choosing this option, Facebook will prompt you whenever it wants permission to send notifications. And that's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings so Facebook can ask for notifications on your PC. This approach gives you control over when and how notifications are enabled, ensuring a smooth and personalized browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to explore more of our tutorials for helpful tips like this one.